Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss grammar chapter first of class second, which is the alphabet. So let's learn. So there are total of 26 alphabets, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you need to learn all these alphabets. You must have known already because they have been taught from since class LKG. Let's start. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So there are two categories in English alphabets. These 26 letters are called English alphabets. There are two categories in which they are divided. The first one being vowels and second one is consonants. So there are total of 5 vowels that is A, E, I, O and U. So among these A, E, I, O and U are all vowels. So what we call them? Vowels. We call them vowels. Okay, and rest of them, the 21 of them, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, so these are called consonants. So you need to learn, the first thing is you need to learn what are vowels and what are consonants, how many of vowels are there and how many of consonants are there. Okay. The first letter of English alphabet is A and the last letter is Z. So we describe English alphabets in a particular alphabetical order from A to Z. So after A always B comes, after B always C comes. You cannot use F after B because we follow a particular alphabetical order, okay, from A to Z. So the first letter in English alphabet is A and the last one is Z or Z. Okay, a word is a group of consonants and vowels that has some meaning. So now the book has given the definition of word. So what are we doing with these alphabets? We have 26 alphabets. We have to use them somewhere, right? We have to use them somewhere, but where do we have to use them? Okay, so we form different words using these 26 alphabets. Okay, so we make a group, take some vowels, take some consonants and make a word like orange. Okay, if you want to say orange or if you want to write orange, you need to select some letters from these 26 alphabets. Okay, so this group, the group you have selected from these consonants and vowels, which has some meaning, that should not be meaningless. Okay, which has some meaning will be called a word. So you can say that a word is a group of consonants and vowels that has some meaning. Okay, so if you select some letters from these vowels and consonants and make a meaningful group, then that group will be called word. Okay, so word is a group of consonants and vowel that has some meaning. Let's go further. We write letters in two ways. Now we have two types of letters in English alphabets. Okay, the first one is capital letter and the second one is small letter. So capital letters are A, B, C, capital A, B and C. Yeah, you write these letters like this. Okay, you can see my cursor, right? So you have to write them like this. Okay, the second one is small letters. So small letters, how can we write small letters? This is the format of writing small letters. Okay, small a, small b and small c. Now it's practice time. Okay, so you need to solve all these exercises by yourself. I will just guide you a little bit in this video. So the A part is write the small letters for the following capital letters. So you have to fill these boxes with small letters corresponding to these capital letters. So N is given here. Okay, you need to write small n here. R is given here, means capital R is given here. You need to write small r here. Capital T is given here. You need to write small t here. So just like that you have to complete this particular question. Okay, the second question is write the capital letters for the following small letters. Now this is the reverse of first. You have to write capital letters of these small letters. So for example, small j is given here, so corresponding to that is a block, a yellow block. So here you have to write capital J. Sixth one, the small h is given. So corresponding to this small h, a block is given where you have to write capital H. Okay, look at the words given below. They are in alphabetical order. That is, word beginning with B comes after the word beginning with D and so on. The order in which A, B, C, D, E, F are arranged is called the alphabetical order. So he is talking about the alphabetical order that I have already taught you, that we write our alphabets in a particular order, particular sense, such that B comes always after A, C comes always after B, D comes always after C. So that particular order is called alphabetical order. For example, he has given an example. First the bat comes, okay, because the first letter of word bat is B. So after B there is no C, so D comes, okay. So D comes. In dog, in word dog, D is the first letter, so after bat dog comes. And after that elephant comes, because E comes after D and H comes after that, hence horse comes at last, okay. So bat, dog, elephant, horse. So if you want to arrange some words in alphabetical order, you just look at the first letter of that particular word and then arrange them in ascending or descending order. Here we have used ascending order, means the smallest comes first and the further comes next, okay, such that bat, dog, elephant and horse. So now the practice time. The C question says, look at the pictures and fill in the missing vowels and consonants to complete the words. You have to look at these pictures. For example, this is a dog, okay, so you need to fill D or G here. So in these circles, the first circle will have capital D and the last circle will have small g, because the first word will always be capital, or you can use the small letter as well, because that doesn't matter here, okay. So the first example is M. The first circle, what will come in the first circle? O, okay. And then what is the spelling of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. So the first circle will have O, the second circle will have E. So O and E both are vowels, okay. The second one is mug. So first circle will have M and the last circle will have G. M and G both are consonants. So you need to have a sense of mind, or in your mind, that yes, you are writing a vowel or a consonant. Let's go further. D question. Write the following words in alphabetical order. Now we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. I already told you how you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order here means in ascending order. You can use descending as well, but use ascending order, that would be much better, okay. So what comes first? C comes first, right? So cow will come here. The cow will be placed at first position. After C we have E here, right? So the second word that comes after cow is elephant, because the E comes after C, okay. After that F comes, hence we will place fish at third position. The fourth position will be taken according to whatever comes next, okay. So you have to solve these exercises by yourself. The last one is question E. Write words of your choice beginning with the given alphabets. Now you have to form a word using the first letter as A or B or C, okay. So the first one, let's take an example for the fourth question, okay. Fourth is D is 4, okay. So what is the word that you can make using D? Think about it. We can make dog, we can make deer, you know, just like that you have to form words using these letters, okay. The first letter should be E or D or F, okay. It depends upon the question. With this, your chapter is over. I hope you understood the chapter. Please send all these exercises to Pradeep sir's WhatsApp number as soon as possible, okay. And with this, your chapter is over. Thank you.